starting from the front, you've got a 4.3-inch screen, obviously with your 4 home buttons as well, your 4 buttons as well. So you've got options, home, back, and your Google search key. Then you look at the side, you've got a volume keys there, and then it's 8.5 mil in slim. Then you go onto the back, which is a Prada Saffiano leather back. So it's all about design and encapsulating Prada as well. So it's all about this design here, which is known by Prada. You've got an 8-megapixel camera with a power LED flash. You have your speaker port there, and you've got the LG logo embossed on the side, on the back there. On the top, we then go from right to left. So you've got the 3.5mm jack. You've got these buttons are all aluminium. This is a shortcut to your camera. Then you have your USB port, which is all there as well, and then you have your power button, which lights up when pressed as well. So it's all about subtlety and lighting as well. This was something that was key that Prada actually wanted in as well. So it's just subtle lighting, just to encapsulate what the device is about. At the bottom you've got obviously just your volume mic, but again it's all around design as well. Okay. When you go into the device now, so obviously you have your standard Android kit screens, but also all with Prada logos on. So this is the UI that if you had the previous Pradas that everyone will recognise. So it's something that we've kept continuing through the devices, but now on Android. Some of the features that have changed now is that obviously people know from Android you can customize your screens. You can actually change your 4 icons here. What we've gone a little bit further, and actually now you can take them out. So you can actually have it as 3, 2, or 1. So now you can have it there as you wish. If you want to put them back in, it's literally just go back into your screen, your main menu, press and hold, and just drag it back in. But you can actually change the order that everything is showing up in now. So if you want your voice recorder, you can have that there, press and hold, and you can change the order it's all in as well. When you press and hold on your icon, you can actually change your icons here as well by hitting a little pen, and then you have a choice of all these icons that now you can put on the screen as well for you. A couple of other things that we've done, which was first on the Optimus Black, which is our UI. Press and hold, and you just tilt your handset which way you want it to go, and you can move your icon. So then just let it go wherever you want to. It still has the pinch, so you can still do that as well. You can actually change whichever one is your default screen by hitting default canvas and just hit that one. When you hit home, that is your home screen. We've also added in another little area which is called scene. When you hit that, this is where you can set it up exactly how you want, whichever screen you want. So you can set up, obviously you have the current one, which is what I've got saved. But as you click through, you can have your own one. So play, you've got work, you've got travel, and you can have your own one and name it whatever you want. You can actually delete it if you want to, or rename it as you wish. You probably want to know what version of Android this is. So if we go into settings, I can show you which version as well. So you can see here, it's Android version 2.3.7.
Will ice cream sandwich be coming to the handset?
It will be in the first half of next year, ice cream sandwich, but obviously I can't tell you a specific date or time. Some more hardware stuff, 8 gig internal, 1 gig of RAM, which is split by 2 512s of RAM. So when it comes to multitasking, and this is what we know as tri-dual, so it's dual core, dual channel, dual memory. The dual core is 2 1 gig cores. But obviously when it comes to multitasking, when it comes to data heavy internet sites, when it comes to gaming and switching between tasks, the handset will do it seamlessly without any problem. So it's this and Optimus 3D are the only 2 devices that has that dual channel of memory as well. So they simultaneously work.
And megapixel cameras?
You've got 8 megapixel on the rear, and you've got a 1.3 megapixel on the front as well. So when you press the shortcut button, which is just here, it then takes you straight into your front-facing camera. And then obviously when you hit that one, you can switch it to the rear view camera.
Any other unique hardware features?
No, I think I think I've covered everything on the device.
NFC
yeah.
perhaps?
Yep, it does have NFC. Yeah, well, so you have NFC already pre-enabled on the device. You've got the logo there. When you click on the logo, it then tells you what you can do on NFC as well. So obviously it's down to the user. You can create your own tags as well, so you can actually create ones and then set it up on the device. The other thing that has not been mentioned yet, this actually has a dual band of Wi-Fi as well. So you'll have the ability, when it's been enabled by broadband providers, that you can switch between 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So you can actually get a faster band of Wi-Fi. So this one has 802/A/B/G/N. So this one has an extra band of Wi-Fi as well for you.
Can you talk about the brightness of the screen as well?
So the brightness on this one, I've had to turn it down obviously. It has 800 nits of brightness, so it's coming brighter than Optimus Black. So under direct sunlight, you'll still be able to read the display without having to twist the device. You'll be able to just look at it straight on in direct sunlight. Obviously, keeping with, I've had to turn it down. I'll turn it up quickly so you can see how bright it actually goes to as well.
When is this coming to the UK?
Don't actually. It's going to be in, I think, Q1, but we've not been told exactly when. But I believe it's in Q1. So if I turn it right up now, it gives you an idea of how actual bright it goes up. And I turn it down to halfway.
Okay, thank you.